Nobody told you this when you downloaded Claude Code, but there's a flaw baked into this tool that's been quietly destroying your productivity, and you've just been out here blaming yourself for it like a clown. Every session, full memory wipe. Everything you told it, every instruction, every bit of context you built up, gone. It's literally giving memento, but for your entire AI workflow. You think you're building a system, but you're actually just having the same conversation on a loop with an AI that wakes up every morning like it's never met you. People have tried to fix this. OpenClaw tried, didn't hit. Most solutions are either too complicated, too fragile, or just straight up don't work. So people cope, they copy and paste project briefs every session like some ancient ritual. But here's where it gets unhinged. There's a free app. Looks like something a philosophy student uses to journal about their existential crisis. And when you connect it to Claude Code the right way, it gives your AI an actual memory, not a patch, a real system that builds itself while you work. It's called Obsidian, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to set it up, why it works when everything else flopped, and how to stop explaining yourself to a robot that forgot you overnight. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so let me show you exactly what I mean. What we're trying to do here is create an unstoppable memory for Claude Code so that our AI agent can have as much context as possible. Now, what's even the problem with Claude Code right now? It basically has amnesia. It's one of the most powerful tools, but every time you talk to it, it forgets the context from what you previously did with it. Whenever you start a new session, it's always from scratch, which makes you have to re-explain a lot of stuff. So how do people usually fix this? They either create a black box where they just create a bunch of context files and then they just dump it all in one place. But this is super unorganized and can get really messy for you as the person looking at it. Yes, Claude Code might be able to look through everything and kind of find what it needs to find, but it's super messy and might use a little more context than needed looking through every single file. Now, on the complete opposite side of that, people create these insane rags that are super complex and super hard to maintain. They break super easy, and it's just overall a much more advanced way to do these things. So what Obsidian is actually the sweet spot. It's like this kind of cabinet that can organize your files in a easy to read way so that you, the user, are able to read it, as well as Claude Code can see the context of everything much easier. So our fix is going to be Obsidian, the perfect filing cabinet that we can use. So it's basically this free orchestration layer that helps you organize all your files all in one spot, and it's absolutely free. So there's no downside to using this because you don't have to pay a fee or anything. So basically what it is you can see that it has like a graph here, and you can kind of like look through all your nodes, and these are all kind of different pieces of context. So for example, this is a super small node here because I just started experimenting with it. But as you go through on your usage with Claude Code and getting more context, you're able to grow your database over here and then feed all that data back into Claude Code. So for example, I was playing around with it here, and let's say for marketing, I wanted to create an agent that has context on how to do meta ads, how to do copywriting, and how to do Google Ads. Now with this, we're actually able to create a bunch of context and all connect it together so that Claude Code can clearly read through all the files and get all the context necessary to be as useful as possible and as up to date as possible. So now obviously there is a human bottleneck. So using Obsidian, you have to basically create markdown files. So if you did this manually, you would have to click here and kind of just write out an entire file with a bunch of data that, you know, maybe you're holding in your head or whatever, notes, anything. And this is just long and dragged out, and no one's gonna just create all their documents like this. There's a much better way to do it using Claude Code. So to get value from Obsidian, you have to write perfectly linked markdown files. In reality, no one has the time or discipline to manually link their notes every day. Boom! That's why we use Claude Code as our supercharger. So we're able to put brain dumps, verbal diarrhea, and basically any other kind of context, research, anything, and put it all into this one spot so so that Claude Code can actually upload all of these together and organize it for us inside of Obsidian. It will automatically format, link, and translate them into perfect Obsidian markdown files. So basically how it works is you throw raw context at Claude, then Claude builds an organized hierarchy in Obsidian. Obsidian's structure improves Claude's retrieval and performance, and then Claude delivers better insight back to you. So it's kind of like this whole loop where you're using Claude and Obsidian to make the context of Obsidian better, and that better context of Obsidian will actually make your Claude code smarter. Now, I know this all sounds good, but how can we actually do it? To get Obsidian, it's completely free. All you gotta do is download Obsidian. You go to obsidian.md, which brings you to this site right here. And then you can just download it for Windows, or if you're on Mac, you could download it for Mac. Now, as you can see, your tree can get very, very sophisticated, and you can have a bunch of nodes all connected, all with different niches and different parts of your life. This is also extremely useful if you want to use this to create context for a personal assistant agent, where you kind of just dump all your data about who you are, what your goals are, and everything straight into Obsidian, and then you can bring that into all your other projects as a claude.md file. Now I'm gonna explain that part a little better soon, but on a higher level, this is kind of how this whole system works together. Now, once you download Obsidian, it's gonna ask you to create a Vault folder. Now, this folder, I highly recommend you just put it where all your other Claude Code projects are. And this is basically going to be the Vault, basically a folder that holds all your context inside that folder. Now you can create multiple vaults. You can maybe create a vault per project if you want this to be kind of like a project manager and hold all the data all in one spot, and you could call it the Vault. But the way I'm using it is I'm just creating one big vault, and inside it, I'm gonna place any kind of context or data that I want for my future in personal projects or any kind of project. And then I can go into that vault and ask Claude Code to create a claude.md based on all that information. Then I can take that claude.md and import it into any new project that I'm creating. So that's exactly how I use it, and this is why the secret weapon is actually the claude.md file, because this claude.md file will absorb all the information of all the context that you put into Obsidian. I'll show you guys a bit more in detail what I mean about how to do this. I know it could all be a little confusing right now, but trust me, this is so useful if you learn how to use it. So maybe recently you heard some myths with some studies that argue that repository level context files hurt AI performance in complex code bases with conflicting rules. But if you use it for things that aren't about code and more about how you think or actual knowledge, well then this actually makes it much more useful. So basically it's like a brain within a brain. The claude.md is the frontal cortex, and then the Vault is kind of like your second brain that has all that information. It's kind of like that iceberg meme as well, where the claude.md is just the tip of the iceberg, but actually absorbs the information from the entire bottom of the iceberg that holds all the other information that you provided. Now, what can you expect with this long term? You can expect compounding intelligence. This is actually going to exponentially grow the knowledge base and how Claude Code can get context to provide better results for you. Regularly ask Claude to analyze your vault and update its own claude.md file to match your evolving conventions. Your personal Jarvis becomes smarter, faster, and more aligned with your mind every single day. So I want to show you guys in practice what this would kind of look like. So as I showed you before, this is my main vault. Obviously, it doesn't have a lot of information right now, but over the next year, this is obviously going to grow a lot. Now, what we could do with that is we can open a project in any IDE and then open this main vault folder, and inside it, you'll see all these markdowns with all these information. So each of these markdowns is just information about, for example, Google Ads or Meta Ads, and all this together creates context for how to market. So as you can see here, this is the main hub for all marketing related notes, and it links to all the markdown files. Now, what you could do with this is you can actually ask Claude Code or Anti-Gravity to create a claude.md file using all the context from your vault. So create me a claude.md file using all the context from this vault, and then we just send that off. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to scan through all the MD files that you have as context, and it's going to kind of compact all that information into one claude.md file. So as you can see, it's analyzing each one by one, and boom, as you can see, it created a claude.md file. Now this has all the context necessary kind of broken down into one file that you can bring to any project. And then what you can do is, as you add more context or more markdown files about anything into here, or even if you make modifications to your old ones, every day you can just ask Claude Code to update your claude.md file with all the recent context, and it's just going to update this file right here. Now, what's the point of all this? Well, now, for example, if I wanted to build an AI agent in another project that could maybe give me the best marketing practices or will create copywriting for me, well, I can take this claude.md file, start the project with that already copied into the project, and now it has enough context there to be able to actually use the most recent up-to-date techniques to help me create the best results possible. Now, how can you use this for the context of always having information up to date for each of your projects? Now, you can create vaults project wise, which means in any project that you're working on right now, every time you make a change, anytime you add a new feature, anytime you do anything, you can ask Claude Code to create a markdown file and then put that markdown file straight into your vault that's in that project. And just like that, whenever you open your project, it's going to have that vault with all the markdown files in there, super organized. You'll be able to see it in Obsidian as well, so that you can see it in a more visual way. And then every time you open your project, it's going to have all the context necessary, so you're not going to have to keep repeating yourself over and over again. Either way, guys, I know this one was pretty information heavy and might be a little complicated for beginners, but I'm telling you, stick with me. This is going to boost your Claude Code productivity by a lot. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and a subscribe. I am a smaller channel, so it does mean a lot. Also, if you want any of the skills or any workflows that I've done in any of my videos, you can go to the first link in the description and join my school. I have all the resources for any of your AI needs down there. If this is all kind of confusing and you're a business owner and you just want to get in contact with me so I could help you out with AI or marketing, you can go ahead and check out my agency, book a call with me over there, and we can work some stuff out. Anyways, guys, I hope you had a great day today, and see y'all in the next one. Peace!